Okay, so like I had said before, we're going to explore the origin of Rome. Was it really founded by two brothers raised by wolves? How did the mythology play a role in Roman culture? So mythology, as we've seen in most of our ancient studies, plays a really important role. Rome is no exception. This is one of those stories which we'll listen. It's believed to have maybe some basis in truth. Nobody really knows, so you may be the judge of that. So take a minute here, pause my video, my audio, and click on the origin of Rome. Go in there. That will take you to a site where you're going to do a short reading about the story of Romulus and Remus. And then at the bottom of that, you'll see there's a 10-question quiz. So go ahead and finish that, and then come back here and join me on the next slide.